Hi, everyone. Welcome to the very first episode of Engineering Quality. This is a podcast where we'll be diving deep into the world of software engineering, quality assurance, and everything in between. I'm one of your hosts, Royalee.
And I'm Ellie. We are super thrilled to have you join us as we embark on this super exciting journey together.
And I'm Veronika. Today we introduce ourselves, share our backgrounds, and give you a sneak peek into what you can expect from this podcast.
But before we dive in, though, let's start with some introductions. We'll each answer a few questions to help everyone get to know us better. So let's kick things off. Veronika, tell us about yourself, including your experiences, expertise, and your passions in the tech world.
Thank you, Ellie. I'm originally from Ukraine and moved to US 10 years ago. I'm currently residing in Florida. I have been working as a tester for 13 years. Throughout those years, I have a chance to work in education, tech, and e-commerce industries. I am obsessed with organizing and optimizing engineering teams' testing processes and look at this as an integral part of software development. That's all from me. What about you, Ellie? Tell us about your background.
So thanks, Veronika. So hi, everyone. I'm Ellie. I'm a Brazilian Australian living here in New York City at the moment. I'm a hands-on engineering leader with over 20 years of experience, mainly focusing on software quality and testing. So from Wall Street trading systems to your favorite e-commerce sites, I've seen it all and I've tested it all. So I'm here to share insights with all of you on the art and science of building good software. Now, Royalee, it's your turn. Tell us about yourself.
Hi again, everyone. So again, I'm Royalee, originally from the beautiful island of Jamaica, but I now live in Florida in the United States. I have been working in software testing for about 11 years, and throughout my career, I've had the opportunity to work in various industries. I've worked across many different domains, and I've worked in e-commerce, in telecommunications, you name it, I've probably touched it in some capacity. I'm passionate about the software development lifecycle and identifying the best ways to deliver quality code to production. I love discovering unique defects, solving complex problems, and exploring new and innovative tools to help make life easier as a tester. And that's it for me.
Thank you, Royalee. And now that we know a bit about each other's professional backgrounds, let's do some fun icebreakers so you can get to know us better. And our question is, what's your favorite tech gadget that you cannot live without? Ellie, why don't you start and tell us about yours?
Of course. So for me, I don't think I can choose one. For me, it's a tie between my smartphone and my noise canceling headphones. Of course, my smartphone is with me all the time, keeps me connected and distracted at the same time. I can't live without it, but when it's time really to focus, nothing helps me more than my noise canceling headphones. I need it when I'm working, I need it when I'm focusing, and it creates like that personal Zen zone that I really need when I'm going for productivity. Royalee, what about you?
Well, for me, it's definitely my iPhone. I use my iPhone for the purposes of a phone, like making phone calls, sending messages. I use it as my entertainment, like I watch television, I listen to podcasts, listen to music. I use it to scan documents. I use it for signing documents. I use it for reading on the Kindle. I use it for shopping. Oh my gosh, let's not talk about shopping. I use it for everything. So the iPhone is definitely the one I can't live without by far. What about you, Veronika?
Wow. Well, you both are like so right. We cannot live without smartphones anymore. And I consider smartphone as a necessity already. I don't consider it my favorite device. So my favorite one is my Kindle Paperwhite. I love reading and I don't go anywhere without it. So I wake up with it, I go to sleep with it, I take it on my trips. It's in there with me on the beach, on the train, wherever I go, on the plane.
You can also add it to your cell phone.
I actually have it on my cell phone, but I don't like to read on my cell phone. I love my electronic ink, and I'm not going to replace it with anything else. Okay, good. And now when we had some fun, now let's talk about why we decided to start this podcast. Royalee, why don't you start?
Well, we've all known each other for a little while, and we always have so much that we discuss and so much to share. And so we're eager to talk to you about, some of these things that we discuss among ourselves all the time, various topics in testing. We want to talk about quality as a discipline and just engineering overall. And our goal is to share our experiences and educate tech professionals about what testing entails and how it continues to evolve within the tech industry. And obviously, we'll be speaking from like our experiences and, things that are out there that we can pull from and share with you guys and how we've used it. And so we'll also talk about automated services and the evolution of this. We'll talk about software releases, transition to continuous delivery. We'll talk about AI. I mean, everyone is talking about ChatGPT, right? So we'll weigh in on that as well, and so much more.
So we will touch on all of that, and I think we also have such diverse backgrounds in tech, the three of us. Each one of us is going to bring unique perspectives to each of these topics through informal conversations, and especially through our personal experiences. So we are really eager to share, all that we've learned throughout our careers with everyone that's listening. We also want to talk about how testing is just, it's more than just finding bugs. It's about quality, it's about process improvement, and it's about delivering great products as well. So our main goal is to uncover these hidden facets and offer insights for everyone involved in delivering software, not only testers. So we have a super exciting lineup of topics, like Royalee was mentioning, and we can't wait to dive in with you.
Yes, in future episodes, you can look forward to in-depth exploration of engineering quality and interviews with industry experts, practical tips, and plenty of fun and engaging discussions. We're excited to begin this journey and hope you will join us. That's all for today, our intro episode. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you enjoyed getting to know us a bit better.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you so much. And if you have any questions or topics that you'd like us to cover, feel free to reach out to us. Our email address is engineeringqualitypodcast@gmail.com. You can also find us on Instagram at engineering.
Awesome. So until next time, keep striving for quality in everything you do. Thank you so much for listening, and we'll see you in the next episode of Engineering Quality. See you later.